Too damn late to reply, so I lost my place in the line to the house of shake, where I was hoping to find a babe. Yeah. Ooh, 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 225. Lucky stars on a cheap desert price. For this guy, he's giving me what I like. When I slide on a beat while we high. But I fell off, let it right on my face, yeah. Can't hear the star killer bass, yeah. It don't matter, I'm still amazing. I'm fit, see, you don't like me more. So happy how the lights speak, yeah. I know it can be frightening to let it go. Oh, it's soft.
Ooh, I like the view.
Just got home, I've been hovering around the cool kid compound. Started look real promising, yeah. 225.
Okay, I have to see this closer. Yep, I can't believe it's really happening. Now we have a big mirror.
Every night, but
What a relief having tall guys as your neighbors and friends who are available today to help Rob carry this mirror and help him install it on the wall. Ah, what a great day.
so happy how the lights speak, yeah. I know it can be frightening to let it go.
Ja, gewoon, doe een beetje denken aan die pitstop van de Formule 1. Zo licht als dit gaat.
Wat zit hij nou? Ja jongens, ik kan hem nou loslaten. Nou!
I'm not giving up yet on you.
So guys, what do you think of the upgrade that we did in my tiny studio? It's a small upgrade, but it means a lot to me because now I'm really happy in my little studio there, and I can dance freely and move from left to right, and I can see the movements that I do. And to complement that, I got myself a little extra for the coming virtual classes. So I got myself a new set of Zumba Wear from last sale. For those of you who know me, you know that I have a Zumba Wear shop which I ran for, which we had for 4 years, but we decided to close the shop last year because for obvious reasons that you know already. Okay. And because, person-to-person selling and most of the events, or almost all the events last year were cancelled. So we have stopped the operation of the Zumba Wear shop, and I just focused on doing other things like vlogging, for instance, talking to you, or teaching virtual classes, and a lot of other things. Here it is. I used to process orders for a lot of customers, but now this time I got this directly from Zumba, me as a customer. No longer a C tailor, no longer a Z tape that says I'm receiving 2 Zumba open back tank, 2 because it's buy one take one, one is free. And I also ordered Zumba Cosmic Bra. It's a sports bra, and a Cosmic panel ankle legging. Let's see. I hope I will not be disappointed. You know, during that sale, I got 70% discount. So why not take the chance, right? So this is it. This is the top. Do you know what's nice? Look what it says here at the back. So this is the label, right? Let me first show you the design. Black and gold. I like it. Nice, right? So, 1. Yay! Buy one, take one. Buy one, take one. Same. Exactly the same. sports bra. Just a sports bra. Just workout outfit. Now the leggings. Let's see. So, where's the next party? Yep. Stars. Black. You can really wear it anywhere. Not just for attending classes. Look. Mesh. See-through. Mesh. Sexy. Alright. That's it. I'm going to try them on. I hope they fit me. If not, we'll sell them. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you will dance with me on the next virtual classes. Schedules on my website. You can always log in there. If you are a first timer, send me a message. I will give you a free pass. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, write me a nice comment, share it with your friends, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the little bell button. Bye for now.